Here we come to the elevator at the Harrison Grand apartment in Cary, North Carolina. This is not just your any Schindler MT elevator, it's a Schindler long bar MT. Cab has obviously been redone. 3. Number 1. Long bar, this is awesome. We're gonna get a detailed view of this elevator, including the fixture, because you don't ever get to see a long bar type Schindler MT elevator. I don't see a snap cab nameplate, but this is definitely a snap cab replacement, judging by not only the walls, but including the edges onto the corner end. But anyways, see, this right here is our Schindler long bar MT elevator, which is probably the most rarest elevator fixture I've ever seen. This thing was installed in 1995, and notice the difference. See the door open button and the door close button? See, that button's definitely been replaced, but this one is original. This is the only replacement out of all the original fixtures you see right here. There's your ADA phone. So yeah, if you watch Jason's video, also known as STL Elevators, you can get a much more detailed video of the difference between a regular Schindler MT versus the long bar one. And oh, something to know about how they mounted the braille plate. Looks almost exactly the same, but in Jason's video, this braille is much more flush. Now, in case you guys are wondering, you may think that the Tremont I filmed in Las Vegas, in Galveston, was my first ever Schindler long bar MT, but actually my very ever first Schindler long bar MT elevator happened actually to be at the Sam's Town Hotel in Las Vegas. That was my very, very, very early video, in case you guys are wondering. I will put in the link in the description down below so you can see that one, although that video was not really that great and it was on my old camera back then, which is way before I even started my YouTube channel. So that video was my very ever first Schindler long bar MT elevator I've ever recorded, and this is what it exactly looks like that you're seeing right now. Sadly, as I speak, it is in the process of being modernized. No, I don't ever have plans on going back there, refilming. I'm sorry, it's countless miles away from me. And I'm sure you remember the elevators at 1333 West Broadway that YouTube user BC's Vators recorded. That one's already modded a while back. So speaking of BC's Vator, I think this video might safely be a perfect dedication for him when he reaches his YouTube anniversary sometimes in late July. So that being said, let's go for one more ride. And speaking of Schindler, look what I have. Got my very own Schindler elevator t-shirt. What do you guys think? All right. We're gonna look at an intermediate station this time. This is not something you see. Listen to the button click. appears to me that this button is a lot more firmer than this one. Well, this one is softer in terms of durability. So look at that. This is your Schindler elevator. Alright, let's head back down and end the video because I don't want to be camping in this building a lot since this is an apartment. But anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying this detailed video that I just made. It's not very common to find long bar, especially these days. I need to talk with BC's Vader a little bit more. I haven't spoken to him in a while. There it goes. And that's it.